Do you want to go to college? Kelly and Michael do. Let's listen.
Hey, Michael.
Hey, Kelly, what's up?
Honestly, I've been thinking a lot about college lately.
Same here. It's exciting, but also kind of scary.
Yes. Like, I know I want that bachelor's degree, but the big question is, what do I major in?
Exactly. I don't want to pick something just to pick it. 4 years is a long time.
Facts. So let me ask you, what subjects do you actually enjoy?
I like math, but I also like helping people. I've thought about engineering, but then sometimes I think about social work or education.
Okay, that's interesting. Do you see yourself working with people every day?
Yeah, I do. I don't think I want to sit behind a desk all day with no interaction.
That makes sense. I'm kind of the opposite. I love writing and creating, but I also want something stable.
So, journalism, communications, marketing?
Excited, then unsure. Yes, those sounded, but then I worry, like, will I be able to find a good job?
I feel that. My mom keeps asking, what are you going to do with that degree?
Parents always ask that.
Let me ask you this. What kind of impact do you want to make?
I want to tell our stories, Black stories, stories that matter.
That's powerful. Sounds like an HBCU would be a great fit for you.
That's what I was thinking. Being around people who understand our culture, our history.
Yeah, I want that too. A place where I feel supported, not just like a number.
So maybe the next step isn't choosing the perfect major.
But choosing a school that helps us grow and explore.
Exactly. We can start general, ask questions, intern, and figure it out along the way.
No matter what, we're graduating. Bachelor's degree, no doubt.
Period. Class of the future. We got this.
We really do.
Learn more with Learn Easy English. 1, 2, 3.